myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be whole again. Thought you were the piece missing from left. You're not the one. I need to try something else. Get you out of my head. You can't save me. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. You're not the one. No, no. You're not the one. No, no, no. I'm moving on. That's what you got me thinking lately. It's been harder for me now. 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 But I'll get through it somehow. 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 You're not the one. No, no. You're not the one. No, no, no. I'm moving on. Admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately.
Sayang, di namin na-record ang mga bloopers. Nataranta na kami ng co-pilot ko sa pag-landing kasi maselan pala tong drone na to. Ayaw mag-auto-landing sa damuhan kahit sasaluhin naman siya. Unsafe daw, kaloka. Kaya ayun, kaming dalawa na lang ang na-fall sa isa't isa. Ginawa ko, nag-manual landing ako. Actually, di ko nga alam paano. Nakailang attempt ako, buti na lang nag-work. Parang relationship lang kasi yan. Paano mo malalaman kung hindi mo susubukan? Tip ko lang sa mga newbie dyan, kusang titigil ang propeller pag naka-touchdown na.